This is a real desktop app. A working calculator. Click the buttons. Get the answer. Built entirely in Python.
No HTML. No JavaScript.
And Tkinter is already installed, no pip needed. I am Mahaz, episode 60.
By the end of this video you will have built your own desktop app.
Let us start. Tkinter is Python's built-in GUI library.
GUI stands for Graphical User Interface.
Windows, buttons, text boxes, menus, all of it.
Tkinter has been part of Python since version 1.
No pip install. No setup. Just import Tkinter and build.
It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, same code everywhere.
Every Python installation you already have includes Tkinter. 5 lines to create your first window. Import Tkinter as tk.
Root equals tk.tk. This creates the main window.
Root.title sets the text in the title bar.
Root.geometry sets the width and height in pixels.
Root.mainLoop starts the event loop.
The event loop keeps the window open and responds to clicks.
Without main loop, the window appears and immediately closes.
Widgets are the building blocks of every Tkinter app.
Label displays text or an image. Read only.
Button, the user clicks it. You define what happens. Entry, a single-line text input box.
Text, a multi-line text area for longer input. Frame, an invisible container that groups other widgets.
Every widget is created the same way. Widget class, parent window, then configuration options.
Then call .pack, .grid, or .place to make it appear.
3 layout managers. Each one organizes widgets differently.
Pack, simplest. Stacks widgets top to bottom by default.
Use side equals left or right to arrange them horizontally.
Grid, most powerful. Places widgets in rows and columns.
Use row and column arguments to position each widget precisely. Place, absolute positioning. You set the exact X and Y pixel.
Avoid place for most apps, it breaks on different screen sizes.
Grid is the right choice for structured layouts like a calculator. Events are what makes a GUI interactive.
A button click, a key press, a mouse movement, all events.
The command option on button runs a function when clicked.
Pass the function name without parentheses, not the result.
To pass arguments, wrap the function in a lambda. Bind connects any event to any widget. Bind of return key on an entry runs a function on enter press.
StringVar and IntVar link a Python variable to a widget automatically.
Almost at the live build, the calculator is next. 60 episodes. All free. Every single one. If this series is helping you learn Python, 1 subscribe keeps it going.
11 bonus episodes still ahead.
Tap it now. Okay, calculator, let us build it.
The calculator, a real working desktop app.
Step 1. Create the main window and set the title and size. Step 2. Create a StringVar for the display. Step 3. Create an entry widget and link it to the StringVar.
Step 4. Create the digit buttons in a grid layout.
Step 5. Create operator buttons for plus, minus, multiply, divide.
Step 6. Equals button calls eval on the display string.
Step 7. Clear button resets the StringVar to empty.
Run it. Click the buttons. It works.
3 mistakes almost every first Tkinter app makes.
Mistake 1. Forgetting main loop.
The window flashes and disappears immediately.
Always end your script with root.mainLoop.
Mistake 2. Wrong geometry string format. It is width x height. For example, 400 x 300.
Using a comma or a space instead of x will crash the app.
Mistake 3. Calling the function instead of passing it. Command equals my function, no parentheses.
Command equals my function with parentheses calls it immediately.
Your challenge.
Take the calculator you just built and add 2 things.
First, a clear button that resets the display to 0. Second, a label below the display showing the last 5 calculations.
This is a history feature very common in real apps.
Use a Python list to store the last 5 results. Update the label every time equals is pressed.
Reply with a screenshot of your calculator running.
I check every single comment. Let us recap everything you built today.
Tkinter, built into Python, no install, works on all platforms.
TK and main loop, create the window and start the event loop.
Label, button, entry, the 3 core widgets.
Grid layout, rows and columns, perfect for a calculator.
Command and lambda, connect buttons to functions.
StringVar, link a Python variable directly to a widget. Eval, run the display string as a calculation.
Next episode, working with files and directories in Python.
Subscribe so you do not miss it. See you tomorrow.
Tkinter unlocked.
You built a real desktop app that runs on your computer. Windows, buttons, input, events, a working calculator.
Next, episode 61, files and directories in Python.
Subscribe. Leave your screenshot in the comments.
I am Mahaz. See you in episode 61.